In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Excel conditional formatting with a 3-color gradient, so you can automatically change from one color to another based on the cell values. This will help you quickly spot like the low, medium, and high values just by looking at the color. So first I'm gonna remove this, and then first you want to highlight all the cells and then go to conditional formatting over here, and then go to more rules, and then click on format all cells based on their values, and then to color scale. So we're gonna set the minimum value to be red, and then the midpoint value to be yellow, and then the high values to be green. Click OK, and that's pretty much it. See here, you can see the lowest cells are highlighted in red, and then the highest cells in green, and the midpoint is yellow. So that's pretty much it for the video. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.